Do you feel stuck in your faith? Like your spiritual walk is more of a burden than a blessing? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we're diving into something that doesn't get talked about enough: toxic faith. What it is, how to recognize it, and most importantly, how to break free. Let's begin your journey to healing and rediscovering a faith that sets you free. So, what is toxic faith? Toxic faith is a distorted form of spirituality. Instead of love, grace, and freedom, it's rooted in fear, guilt, and control. It twists religion into a tool for manipulation, using rigid rules, shame, and judgment to dominate rather than uplift. The result? Emotional distress, isolation, anxiety, and damaged relationships. If that sounds familiar, know this: faith should free you, not weigh you down. Sign number 1. Control and manipulation. One major red flag is controlling behavior. This might look like leaders demanding total obedience, shaming those who ask questions, or threatening consequences for stepping out of line. Faith becomes less about relationship with God and more about following someone else's rules out of fear. Sign number 2. Fear-based teachings. Another warning sign is a fear-based message. If all you hear are threats of judgment, hellfire, or punishment, and rarely anything about love, grace, or hope, that's a problem. Faith should never be used as a scare tactic. When fear replaces trust, something's off. Sign number 3. Lack of compassion. Toxic faith often lacks empathy. People are taught to focus on performance and rules, not compassion and care. If your community turns a blind eye to suffering or prioritizes doctrine over love, it may be time to reevaluate. Now, how to break free. Step 1. Spot the red flags. The first step to healing is awareness. Pay attention to how faith teachings make you feel. Are you constantly anxious, ashamed, or afraid? Those are signs something isn't right. Question beliefs that go against your God-given worth and seek insight from wise, trusted sources. Step 2. Find support. Healing doesn't happen alone. Reach out to friends, family, a therapist, or spiritual mentors who can walk with you. Join support groups if needed. Talking about your experience helps you process it and reminds you that you're not the only one who's been through this. Step 3. Focus on your relationship with God. Toxic faith often teaches that you need an institution to access God. But the truth? You can have a direct personal relationship with Him. Pray, journal, meditate, spend time in quiet reflection. Seek leaders and communities that reflect God's love, not just rules. Step 4. Surround yourself with good fruit. The Bible says you'll know a tree by its fruit. If a faith environment constantly produces guilt, fear, or shame, it's time to rethink it. Instead, find people who encourage you, uplift you, and lead with grace. Healing happens in healthy soil. Step 5. Take care of yourself. Don't forget this part. Self-care is sacred. Take time for rest. Journal. Get out in nature. Do things that bring you joy. Healing takes time, so be gentle with yourself. You're rebuilding, not just recovering. Moving forward. Celebrate your journey. Breaking free from toxic faith takes serious courage. So take a moment to celebrate how far you've come. You've chosen truth over fear and freedom over control. That's no small thing. Embrace your freedom. You now have the space to explore life in a new way. Pursue what brings you peace. Connect with people who truly see you. keep nurturing your walk with God, on your terms, in truth and love. Inspire others because your story matters. By sharing what you've been through, you can help others realize they're not alone. You might be the voice someone else needs to hear to start their own healing journey. Now, walking away from toxic faith is not easy, but it is worth it. You're reclaiming your voice. You're choosing love over fear. And most of all, you're learning to walk with God again, freely and fully. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more faith-based encouragement. Like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and drop a comment below with your story or thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay rooted, stay real, and keep walking with Jesus. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel.